request of the Clovis Police Department. A strange and unusual event is currently occurring in the city of Clovis. At 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, reports of strange, unusual creatures were found roaming around the city, attacking any living thing that comes across them.
These creatures are believed to be reanimated humans that are under a cursed spell from an unknown source at this time, and are currently causing massive destruction all over the city. These creatures can easily be identified by the eerie purple glow from their eyes, as well as blood dripping from their mouth, ripped up clothing, sharp rigid teeth, and showing signs of extreme homicidal aggression. If you see these creatures, do not attempt to approach them. Get away from them as quickly as you can and find the nearest house, sturdy building, or shelter. If you have weapons such as blunt objects or a firearm, use them by all means necessary.
Do not go outside until the all clear is given. If you do so, you are putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Spruce Pine Police Department. A dangerous and mysterious event is unfolding in the city of Spruce Pine and vicinity. At 9:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports of scary-looking creatures roaming through the streets of Spruce Pine have been received. These creatures are what appear to be reanimated human beings currently under a curse from an unknown source at this time. Widespread destruction is being reported throughout the city as this event unfolds. These creatures can easily be identified by the eerie purple glow from their eyes, as well as blood dripping from their mouth, ripped up clothing, sharp rigid teeth, and showing signs of extreme homicidal aggression. In addition, these creatures have been seen gruesomely murdering innocent civilians within their path. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you see these creatures, do not attempt to approach them. If you have weapons such as blunt objects or a firearm, use them by all means necessary. Do not go outside until the all clear is given. If you do so, you are putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
Transmitted by the order of myself and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All residents hearing this message are ordered to head inside immediately and to not look at the night sky. There have been many reports across the United States that strange, deadly creatures were found roaming around the streets of several major cities. It has also been recently discovered that this phenomenon is occurring due to an English mythology called Moonlight's Curse. Moonlight's curse only happens every few hundred years on Halloween night, making the moon turn into an eerie shade of purple, and whoever looks upon it falls under the curse and turns into a form of reanimated humans that are identified by an eerie purple glow in their eyes, blood dripping from their mouths, ripped up clothing, sharp rigid teeth, wings in their bodies, which gives them the ability to fly, and signs of extreme homicidal aggression. These creatures are known to murder anything in their path within seconds, showing no mercy whatsoever. Mass devastation has already occurred from this horrible event as it unfolds. Numerous fatalities have occurred as well. At this time, it is currently unknown when this situation will come to an end, but I advise all of you to follow these instructions, as you will have a greater chance of survival. Stay inside and do not go outside for any reason. Do not look at the moon, or you will fall under the Moonlight's curse and turn into one of these creatures. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade them if you can as well. Turn off all lights and stay as quiet as you can. Turn off any electrical devices, as this may attract the creatures. Keep any firearms or blunt objects with you in case these creatures try to attack you. An all-clear siren will be sounded when this situation is under control. As for now, though, as this horrible event continues to unfold, I wish you all the best. Good luck, and God bless the United States of America.